Hey, good day everyone. Mac again here and welcome back to my channel. This is my family's channel, and for today's video, I am going to share with you how to get or how to watch free cinema movies here in the UAE. So if you are in the UAE or if you're planning to come here in the UAE, this video is for you. So stay tuned. So let me start with my experience today. Now, I received a premiere invite for the latest movie Underwater, which is a science fiction horror film starring Christine Stewart. So I went to Real Cinemas Dubai Mall to watch the movie, and this is the exact email I received on January 6th. Guys, I am going now to the Real Cinemas, and once we get there, we'll look for the Underwater movie for the registration. Okay?
Sir, scheme number 7, sir.
Thank you. Yes, I'm now inside. I'm looking for Cinema 7. So here is Cinema 7. Let's go this way. Now I'm back because I did not finish the video yesterday. So where are we now? We're now at the gate, right? So at the gate, security guards were there to collect your phones. They would place it in a pouch and locked it. They would tell you also to put that on silent mode. So basically, once you get inside, you cannot take any photos or clips, and that's also the reason that I cannot provide. I mean, I cannot share you anything inside. And then I also asked the guard inside about the seating arrangement. They said that it's a free seating, so basically you choose your own seats. So if you arrived early, lucky because you can select your good seats. I mean, if you want, you know, like the one at the top, like not really close to the screen. But still, in my experience, I was still able to select a good one because anyway, when I arrive, it's not that full. You'll be surprised because they also provide you free popcorn and soft drinks. And because I was alone, I like choose a seat, you know, like nobody's beside me. So I still get the chance to get the other popcorn and that seat. So, and even you can, you know, BH. Do you know, guys, what is BH? Like bring house popcorn. If you can, I mean, just if you're not shy and if you have a bag, just put it inside your bag while the lights are still off, and then you can bring it at home. I mean, who would want to waste the popcorn? It's for anyone there, and so yeah, they'd be happy you'll bring it so someone can eat it than throwing it, right? So okay, so now I'll guide you how to do this to get invites, to start receiving invites for the free cinema movies here in the UAE. And by the way, disclaimer, I'm not in any way connected to Majid Al Futtaim, or to any cinemas like Real Cinemas. I am just sharing I'm just sharing my experience about this. Okay, to begin with, you need to visit www.happinesslab.ae. You have two options here, either to click join or enter your email address. Let me click on join, and then you need to enter your personal details like the first name, last name, and email address. Just to give you a little idea on what Happiness Lab is all about, this is an exclusive community in the UAE where you can share your opinions, thoughts, and stories. So aside from the free cinema movies, you will mostly receive survey emails. You can also give and express your feedback of the products and services, and in return, you will be eligible to participate in lucky draws and win prizes. Let me go back. So after you enter your details, just click sign up. I will get error here because I did not enter anything. And then you will be routed to another page in which you need to answer a few questions like your nationality, gender, age, etc. So after you provide the answers to the questions, just click submit and wait for an email to confirm and verify. So yeah, that's it. To give you an idea of what the Happiness Lab survey email looks like, I have one here, the recent one. I'll open this. So this one is about single-use plastic for Carrefour, as you can see. And you just need to click on start to do the survey. And like I mentioned, you will be eligible to win the prize after that. By the way, guys, before you will get free cinema movie tickets, you will receive an email invite first to become a cinema squad. And once registered, you will start to receive an invite to do your task as a cinema squad. So like this email here. Then you need to watch a certain movie in your own expense and be a spy and do the survey. The email, like this email, provide you tips before taking the survey, so be mindful with that. Once completed and verified, you just need to wait for an email invite to watch any cinema movie premiere for free. Good luck, guys. That's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do, please do hit the like button, and also if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and don't forget to comment. If you have questions, just let me know. Just put that in the comment box. And also, I hope to see you guys in the cinema soon. If you recognize me, please say hi. Thank you for watching again, and bye bye till next time.